I will show you how to hide and unhide drawings or indicators on TradingView. To hide a drawing, click on the drawing you want to hide. Then select the three-dot icon. Choose the hide option and it will disappear. You can also hide indicators as well. Select any indicator and right-click. A menu will pop up. Choose Hide and it will also disappear. To unhide your drawings or indicators, click on this icon on the right side. This will show all the drawings and indicators you have on your chart. All grayed out drawings or indicators are the hidden ones. Hover over one of them and select the eye icon to unhide them. You can also toggle the eye icon from here to hide your drawings or indicators from here as well.